want justice. Don't expect justice from there. But can we expect it from you? How are you protecting the members of this house or the 12 members sitting outside? How are you protecting them?
Madam, you are going to speak on narcotic bill.
I am going to speak. I am going to speak.
It looks like you are not interested in the bill.
Discussion बाकी है.
You are not interested in the
narcotic. मेरा मौका है बोलने का.
आपका मौका है बोलने का नारकोटिक बिल पर.
मुद्दे हैं डिस्कस करने के लिए और मगर हम लोगों ने 3-4 घंटे दिए क्लरिकल एरर डिस्कस करने के लिए. What is going on? What is going on? This is terrible. और आप सबसे मैं ये कहना चाहती हूँ, आप बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? आप लोग बीन किसके आगे बजा रहे हैं? देखिए, आपके बुरे दिन बहुत जल्द आने वाले हैं. बहुत जल्दी आने वाले हैं. अगर आपके अंदर
You don't have to reply to him.
सर बात ही ना करने
आप एड्रेस कीजिए शेयर को. आप शेयर पर
जोड़ दीजिए हम लोगों को. आप लोग चलाइए. क्या बोल रहे हैं आप? What are you saying? Tell me what are you saying? Have the courage to stand up and speak and make such nasty remarks.
I think you are not interested. I think you are not interested. I am calling the next.
However, question time in the parliament, and Learned Rahul Gandhi is a very senior member and is expected to become the Prime Minister after the next election. He is expected to sweep the election, but it is very unfortunate that he is not proposing the question. He is not asking the question. He is not placing the question before the August House of the Parliament. And this may also turn out to be the bad symptom in Congress. Therefore, I request Mr. Rahul Gandhi to draft a question on the Lakhimpur incident. Please do this. At Pachari Yoga International Trust, I take this opportunity to propagate the narrations of Bhagavad Gita to every citizen, including the members of the state assemblies, members of the parliament, members of the political parties, and the great leaders, Mr. Modi ji, Mr. Sonia ji, Madam Mamta ji, Kejriwal ji, and State Chief Ministers, Mr. Stalin, the Karnataka Chief Minister, and Mr. Y.S.R. Reddy, and the opposition leader, Mr. Naidu. I take this opportunity to propagate Bhagavad Gita to the President of India and to the Vice President of India with a view to consider my appointment as the next president. I shall endeavor to destroy the evil forces that is haunting the parliament, that is haunting the execution of river schemes, National Riverways Authority. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you and thank you. Please visit again, my dear friend. Please visit again.
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही होना चाहिए.
जया भादुरी और जया बच्चन. Madam, Parliament is not like shooting for a film. Because shooting for a film involves at least 10 benamis, false billing, money laundering, and free performance of poksa, womanizing for public applaud. Therefore, please forget your ego, film ego in the Parliament. Hello, my dear friend. Hello, my dear friend, politician. Hello, my dear friend, member of the Parliament. Hello, my dear friend, member of the State Assembly. I am an Indian, and I shall now take you inside Bhagavad Gita for your benefit, for your awareness, and for your use in the service of the nation, for your awareness towards the service of the common man. Om. Hello, my dear parliamentarian. Hello, my dear citizen who failed to reach the Parliament because of loss in the elections. Hello, my dear leader, whether you may be the ruling party or whether you may be in the opposition bench of the Parliament, or whether you have lost your seat in the Parliament. Hello, my dear member of the State Assembly. Hello. In all, there are about, I think there are about 5,500 people in India who is eligible to vote for the elections in the presidential domain. Hello, my dear everyone. Please come. I shall take you to the most important version in Bhagavad Gita, and I shall split the complex Sanskrit words into simple Hindi words so that you can easily understand. Please come with me inside. Hello and hello. Om Jatasya hi dhruvaha mrutyuha dhruvam janmamrutasya chaha तस्मात् अपरिहार्ये अर्थे न त्वं शोचितुम् अर्हसि. Although I have recited this text 27 of chapter 2 in simple words, you will see that the script is complex, combined words in Sanskrit. I shall make it simple. I shall dissolve and dilute this into simple Hindi words. I shall take you to my diary, my dear. Please come. Om Jatasya hi dhruvaha mrutyuha dhruvam janma mrutasya chaha tasmat apariharye arte na tvam sochitum arhasi. The word sochitum arhasi. Na is never. Na tvam sochitum arhasi. There is no need for you to lament. There is no need for you to sob. There is no need for you to weep. If you lost and if you are unable to do the karma, or if you are not able to perform your duty, Krishna says that don't sob, because he says that Jatasya hi dhruvaha mrutyuha. One who has taken birth in this world is certain to die on some other day. Dhruvam janma mrutasya chaha. That means dhruvam. It is also certain that janma mrutasya chaha, all birth is destined to death. Tasmat, therefore, apariharye, for the fact which is unavoidable, for the fact which is a matter of perishable body. That means this human body and the animal body will decompose after death. Therefore, we should never worry about the death. That is the meaning of Natvam Sochitum Arhasi. That means you should perform your duty, my dear parliamentarian. You should fight for dharma. Only you should never stand, or you should never follow the footsteps of Satan. This is the same explanation in Quran also. Don't follow the footsteps of Satan, but you fight for dharmic value in the parliament, in the Lok Sabha, in the Rajya Sabha, and in the state assembly. You should fight for nepotism. You should fight for eradicating corruption. You should fight against narcissism, bench fixing in the judicial. You should fight for upholding the value of the Constitution and upholding the judicial value of legal fraternity in India. Om Hello, my dear friend. Next year, 2022, is the most prominent year in Indian presidency. Please select and elect Pachauri as the next president in the year 2022, and Pachauri will perform his duty in the dharmic way, without fear of death as well. Please avoid corruption in Bar Council of India, Bar Council of the state. Please avoid influence peddling in the budgeting. Please avoid narcissism in the parliament. Hello, doctor. Please avoid amassing black wealth. Hello, every citizen. Please pay your taxes so that the ministry and the economy will strive forward in the national interest. Please stop parochialism. Om